Welcome to online lecture series in organic chemistry, and we are discussing the chemistry of group 18 elements. In this video we are going to discuss the peculiar properties of helium. Now helium, it is a unique noble gas or inert gas, and it has the lowest boiling point. Helium has lowest boiling point. Now all other elements get solidified on cooling, but helium remains as a liquid and forms solid only under high pressure. Helium shows two important liquid phases, that is helium 1, it is a normal liquid, but helium 2, it is a super fluid which is an unusual state of matter. So it exists in two important phases, helium 1 and helium 2. The most important thing is at 4.2 Kelvin helium liquefies as a helium first but continues to boil vigorously, and at 2.2 Kelvin the liquid helium suddenly stops boiling and helium 2 is formed. This helium 2 in liquid state at 2.2 Kelvin, it is still in the form of liquid as interatomic forces are not strong enough to form the solid, but the thermal motion of the atom has stopped at this low temperature, that is 2.2 Kelvin. Now when helium 1 changes to helium 2, the physical property change suddenly or abruptly, and the specific heat changes by factor of 10, then viscosity becomes 0. When helium 1 changes to helium 2, viscosity becomes 0, and thermal conductivity increases by 10⁶, and the helium becomes a superconductor. It means at 2.2 Kelvin helium will behave like a superconductor, that is helium 1 gets converted into helium 2. So this is about the peculiar properties of helium. Now what is the importance of noble gases in theoretical chemistry? Now helium or noble gases, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these elements, after discovery of these elements, so many the concepts of theoretical chemistry are proved, or there is a support for these concepts by the discovery of these noble gases. For example, before the discovery of noble gases, in Mendeleev's periodic table, there was a sudden change from strongly electronegative halogens to strongly electropositive alkali metals. So after the discovery of noble gases, actually these noble gases are placed in between strong electronegative and electropositive elements, that is in the 18th group. So their placement in the periodic table, it is in between halogen and alkali metals in each period, and this actually placement rectified the anomaly, and the transition from electronegative to electropositive nature now has become rather smooth. Earlier there was abruptly or suddenly there was change from electronegative halogens to electropositive alkali metals, but actually noble gases, these are neither electropositive nor electronegative, and these are placed in between strongly electronegative elements and strongly electropositive elements, and this is one of the important point about the electropositive and electronegative nature of elements. Now it is smoothly there is a change in electronegative to electropositive nature. So this is about the very important place in periodic table. Because of their place in periodic table, there is a smooth change from electronegative element to electropositive element. Now next important point is the chemical inactivity or inertness of noble gases. It is helped in the formulating the electronic theory of valency. Now this electronic theory of valency, it is based on the concept of the octet rule or stable electronic configuration, and these noble gases have stable electronic configuration, and on the basis of electronic theory of valency, the reactivity of other elements, it is compared with the stable electronic configuration, that is with the noble gases. So electronic theory of valency, it is based on the stable electronic configuration of noble gases, and this also helped or noble gases helped in the foundation of electronic theory of valency. Another important thing is the bonding and stability of complexes or complex compounds. These were explained on the basis of the effective atomic number rule, involving the basic concept of stable noble gas configuration. Now the next important point is the identification of alpha particle, that is helium plus 2 ion. It was helped in the formulating the theory of radioactive disintegration and group displacement law. So in fact, the whole chemistry of inorganic elements, it is explained directly or indirectly on the basis of the most stable electronic configuration of noble gases. So in this way, noble gases helped in the theoretical chemistry.